So here's the React seed project, which I've linked to in the description. So this is our code base. It's like the sample we're going to be looking at. It's a pretty standard thing. It's how we set up a React project. So the technologies involved with it are Webpack, got a bit of React. We're using all the latest ES6 and 7 shit because like you don't want to be using like the old ES5 rubbish old JavaScript. And it's got like Redux set up already. So what I'm going to show you is what what your Redux state looks like when you kind of just open your app. So you can see here, so I'm looking at the console in the Chrome debugger, right? And here's the app, like here's the to-do thing, looks terrible. So we've got some logging that's happened, right? So these log messages are a lifesaver, and if you're setting up a project, set up this thing. It's what's called a Redux middleware, but it's very easy to set up. You can have a look at my code, see how it works. But basically, it's called Redux Logger, I think. Every time something happens, so every time an action gets fired, you get a log. Like it says here, action, and it shows you the state. It shows you the state of the store here, and it shows you this. Then it shows you what action was fired, and then it shows you the state again. Use this all the time when you're learning, especially, but like I still use it a lot now. There are other fancy tools, whatever, I don't care. This is good. Just use this to start off with, at least you'll be fine. So this is, in this application, you can see the state. So let's look at the final state here. So we've got a store that has to-dos and users, or user, right? So user's empty, very exciting. To-dos, we've got the currently editing to do, and we've got an array which is empty of to do's, right? And in the currently editing to do, we've got completed false and text A, which is what's in this box because I put it in the box, right? So that's it. So this is what store looks like in Redux, like it's fired up. That's it. Very simple.